Check this out. This one's the... Everybody knows these filters are for the air conditioner filters. You see it. They're usually all built almost similar to this or almost all the same. Okay, in this case, this one's for a Ford Ranger. You see that? Ford Ranger. Well, that sucker is down here on this AC pipe right here, which is down there at the bottom. Where's the little pin hook? So we've done this one right here. So we've done a little hook to pull it out. See that? A little paper clip. You gotta have something stronger. He was able to pull it. So it's down here at the bottom under the guard right here. Here's the guard. So it's down there at the bottom and he's just about ready to pull it. Look at that. There, it's coming out there. There you go. Look at that. Has a bunch of gunk. Let me bring it out here. Bring it out here, Pop. He's got it already. So we're replacing the little tank and also the compressor. Ooh, look at this shit. Bring it. Look, let me show you how dirty it is. Ooh, look at that one. There it is. Ooh, look at that shit. Compared to the new one. God damn it, look at that. That's the old one that we pulled out, that he pulled out right now, and this is the new one that's gonna go in there. Look at the difference, man. Burned out, look at that. Look at it, you can even see some, probably like some little, maybe some metal in there or something. We're gonna blow it out right now. We're gonna blow out the lines. God damn it, look how bad it is. Well, anyway, that's where the Orifice or whatever they calling this shit, which is the AC filter, that's where it's located. It's easier to grab it, I'd say, under the tire and back of the little guard that's here. It's gonna need some clips though. So it's right there, which is this one right here. We're gonna replace the spring in here. This O-rings also, okay? There it is. That's where it's located. Okay? Located down here in the bottom. Right there. Down there. We already added that little green O-ring. There's the new thing we're gonna replace. We're also gonna put a new compressor, okay? Man, look at that. That's it.